Hello and welcome to the TigrePup channel. In this video, I'll be doing a look with the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette and giving a review. If this topic interests you, then please keep watching. Okay, so to start off this look, I'm going to start off with talking drums for my crease. It's not any, I don't know, these colors, I don't think they really go together. It's very difficult because like some are the same, and the lighter ones, they're all kind of like medium mid-tones, and you have like two highlights. So I had to add other colors into this look in order for it to look decent, in my opinion. So basically I'm just taking this talking drums and I'm blending it into my crease. Okay, so up next I'm going in with Nine Jaw, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease as well to add a little bit more color and depth. Okay, so right here I'm just taking my concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. Okay, so now that I've cut my crease, I'm trying to deepen the crease so that it would look nice and clean. I'm not sure if this was Nine Jaw or Talking Drums, which is probably Nine Jaw because it's a little bit darker, to try to set the crease, but apparently it's not as dark as I would have liked to be. So eventually I'm going to go in with the black, but in the meantime, I'm going to take Ashanti here, and I'm going to place that on my, for my cut crease, my lid. So that's what you see me doing here, and eventually I'm going to take eyeshadow and put that nearer towards my nose and my inner tear duct, and put Ashanti on the lid and at the very end. Honestly, I was trying to do a look that looks similar to, let me see if I can get a clip right quick. Okay, so here is a clip of what the look I was trying to go for, where the edge is like turned up. I have the most difficult trouble doing that because my eyes are very downturned. So that's what I initially tried to do, and it just didn't work out too well. So it ended up with an eyeshadow that I wasn't too proud of, but we're going to continue with our look here, okay? So I'm now going in with eyeshadow, just like I told you. I'm going to put that on the inner portion of my tear duct in order to make like a highlighted effect. And we're just going to continue doing the video. Right here, I'm just kind of like packing as much product as I can in order to get as much pigmentation, because you know, with the white for the concealer, it kind of like washes everything out, so you have to keep packing in order for it to work. Apparently I did too much packing because it causes the eyeshadow or glitter to crease, but we're going to continue doing our work. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Okay, I'm adding a little bit of Fix Plus onto it to make it a little bit more pigmented, okay? And like I said, I'm working with those two colors, Ija and Ashanti. And just see me try to build it as much as I possibly could. Okay, right here you see me extending Ashanti past that little curve at the end. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. It's not giving me as much depth as I would have liked. But we're just going to continue. Right here, I'm going in the black with the black, like I told you before, in order to deepen that crease because it's looking a little too one plain look. Okay, so back again with Ninja and Talking Drums, and I'm going to blend out that black so it's not just like a solid line. So that's what you see me doing here. Well, actually, this is the black, and I'm trying to add a little more depth, a little bit more depth at the bottom. And then I'm going to take those two shades that I just mentioned before, and I'm going to try to soften the line. Okay, so right here, I'm just using my Neutrogena wipe to clean up the excess at the very bottom and to make that line nice and sharp to bring me lift to my eye. And I'm taking like, first I'm going to use a gel liner in order to do my liner. And then I'm going to go back and set that with a black eyeshadow in order to get a nice and deep black color. Yeah, so that's what you see me doing here. Okay, so right here, I'm just taking that the liner that I use for the black and the eyeshadow here, and I'm just connecting it with my crease in order to get it nice and dark so that it actually look like it's sinking into my eye socket. Well, that's what it's supposed to look like, and I'm just working that through. Okay, so right here, I'm just choosing two similar colors in order to do my brow bone highlight. Apparently, I couldn't use what was in the palette. Well, I guess I could have, but I'm just doing with this one section. I'm doing, each of these videos are just like one section going straight down the line. So anyway, that's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to smooth that out, making sure it's nice and even, and taking a little bit of that highlight and putting it in my inner tear duct because I felt like Ija wasn't giving. Okay, all right, putting on my eyelashes. I actually stacked these. I have two different lashes on. One's a little bit shorter and one's a little bit longer. Right here I have to redo my eyeshadow because it kind of lose pigmentation when you start doing all this extra stuff like putting on lashes and stuff, and I'm redrawing my line to reset that again so it wouldn't be too weak. Here I'm using two different mascaras here, and here's the first one. Eventually I'm going to go in with my second one. I put in my contact lenses, as you can see here, and I saw a video where Back to what I was saying, Joan Collins off of Dynasty, she would sit underneath the dryer and it would help with her mascara to keep her eyelashes to stay up. And I was thinking I could use the dryer to like have mine stand up, you know, with the blow dryer. I don't know if you just saw that. And I think it works. You know, they don't droop as much because of, you know, my natural downturned eye shape. Anyway, back to the video. I'm using, I want to say the highlight that I told you before from a different palette in order to do my inner tear duct here. And I'm smoking out my lash line, and I'm probably going to be using Ninja because it's like a deeper brown with black. And I'm using I want to say a tan or cream eyeliner. Okay, well, here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something in the process. Maybe you can recreate it if you so choose to. And I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.